So you can also convert numbers to timestamps inside of the toDateTime function. So for instance, if you just put a number in here, it will convert it to a datetime, technically a timestamp object. What it does is it takes 100 and it uses the units of nanoseconds and it adds it to the Unix epoch. So the first time is January 1st, 1970. So this is 100 nanoseconds past the Unix epoch. Now you can change what the units are. So we can say 100 seconds past the Unix epoch. We can change it even to days. This is 100 days. We can say, I don't know, 1555 days point, 34 or whatever. So this is that many days past the Unix epochs. It will use these decimals in order to figure out the hours, minutes, and seconds as well. So that's pretty cool. So just another way to use the toDateTime function. It takes in numbers in addition to strings, which we can convert it to both of them to timestamps. So the outcome will always be a timestamp object when you use the toDateTime function.